So now we will see what are the other ways of doing the pricing. Okay, so let's pick this product itself, Death by Chocolate Cake, and go to the price list. Okay, and in the last lecture we added a matrix. So let me just click on edit, and I introduce this matrices, right? So in that time when we added this matrix, we set the dimension type as range. Now I want to make it some other value. So let's see what values are available. So we have range, we have discrete, we have cumulative range. So let's talk about what happens when I keep it as cumulative range. Now when you keep it as a cumulative range, in that case, the price calculation is cumulative. So for example, if I go to this detailed scenario where we are keeping this discount based on the quantity. So let's say I am going for 15 products, then in that case 5% discount would be applicable. Okay, but if I am going for 21 product, then for 20 products the discount applicable is 5%, but for the another one product the discount applicable is 10%. So when you do cumulative discounting, you are actually bringing the discount to a lower value. Last time when we were keeping it 21, all the 21 assets you were giving at a discount of 10%, but this time it won't happen. Why? Because you have selected cumulative range. In case of cumulative range, if the units are 21, then 20 units will have discount of 5 and the remaining 1 unit will fall into this second row and get the discount of 10%. So in case it goes 30, then 20 will have discount of 5% and the remaining 10 will have discount of 10%. So let us see that. I'll just save my changes. Okay, changing the dimension to cumulative range and making it save. So once you save it, you need to run the criteria maintenance job. Okay, click on update pricing fields. And now when this job run is completed, so meanwhile this is going on, I'll just open the proposal. So let's go back to our proposal, the latest proposal we have created. I know we created it for iced tea, but right now we are having Death by Chocolate Cake as our experiment product. We are setting up different pricing. We are learning pricing with that product. So let me click on configure products and I will add Death by Chocolate Cake one more time. Now let us add the product Death by Chocolate Cake, and when I add it to the cart, okay, and let's go to the cart page. Now we have, so for one quantity it is giving the discount for $1. Okay, now if I change the quantity from 1 to 10, then also the base price will remain the same. Okay, now if I change it to 20, then also the base price will remain the same and the calculation will happen. Now when I change it from 20 to 21, now when I'm setting to 21, then I see that the net price is 398. So for 21 quantities, let us understand how net price is getting calculated. So here we are doing the cumulative range discounting. So for first 20 quantities, the discount is 5% and 5% of 20 is 1, and that's why the base price is 19 for first 20 units. Later, for remaining 1 unit, okay, the discount is for 10%, and that is why the base price for the 1 unit is 18. So 20 into 19 equals to 380 and 18 into 1 equals to 18. So the net price which we are giving to the customer is 398. So this is the net price calculation. Then what is the base price? Now base price is calculated by calculating the net price and dividing it by the quantity, which is 21 here, right? So if you divide 398 by 21, so if you divide 398 by 21, it comes out to be 18.95, and that's what we are seeing as the base price, right? You remember we have kept the precision to 2, that's why it's showing till 2 decimal places only, not more than that. All right. Now, this is what is the base price, 18.95. Okay. Similarly, if I do the change in the quantity from 21, say from 21 I am changing it, say from 21 I am changing it to 35. Okay, and then I need to click on reprice. So when I do that, again the discounting and everything will get calculated, and then base price calculation will be done. So for first 20 units, okay, for first 20 units the base price is 19, and then remaining 15 units the base price would be 18. So this comes out to be 380, and 15 into 18, this will come out to be 270. So if I sum these two, it will come out to be 650. Okay, so this is the net price, 650. And if I divide 650 by 35, then I get 18.57, which is nothing but the base price. So let's see that. If I divide 650 divided by 35, what we get is 18.57. So that is the base price. So this is cumulative price range calculations we are seeing. Okay. All right.